Yeah. Christine, I see a swing for Aiden. Yeah.
Oh, there goes the train.
Yep.
Yeah. I don't know if Aiden will be able to ride it.
Yeah.
Be careful, Boogie.
I don't think he would want to ride it.
Right.
Ahoy, Aiden! Get on it!
Yeah, go put it.
Ah, it's a rough turn.
I think he's gonna crash, y'all.
Oi, 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 I'm crossing again. I crashed. Hey, Sergeant. Mason, what you doing here?
Well, same thing you are. Same thing you do.
That sounds like a personal problem.
Hey! Stop it, Dustin. Hey, Sam, do you want to come see my baby cousin Aiden?
He's playing.
He's got his own family to walk around with, buddy. You'll
Yep.
see him later.
Hey, I want to
Let's go. Let's Aiden go down the slide. That's the slide just right for him to go down. Daddy can hold him as he goes down.
Billy slide. Billy slide. Ah! Hey, let go! Let go! Yeah.
Okay, Aiden's turn.
Christine, get up there.
Nope, he ain't liking it.
What did he do? What was it? Looking up. Hang on. Bow my head. Hi. There you go.
Let's go one more, buddy.
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Okay. She's recording
One
everything.
more, and then if you want to.
Hey, Dad!
No, he ain't liking that because you can hear him.
Let's see if Mama can get in there. I think she's gonna get stuck.
Oh, we're definitely gonna get that. We'll post that on the internet,
Oh, yeah.
TikTok, Facebook, you name it. Mama gets stuck.
Oh. He's like, I don't know.
Okay, is it me or does the slide look like it's leaning?
My stomach, you're